A body is projected vertically upwards with a velocity u. It crosses a point in its journey at a height h twice just after 1 second and 7 seconds. The value of u in meter per second. The value of u in meter per second. ଗୋଟେ body को ମୁଁ vertically upward project कली. Body is projected vertically upward with a speed u, upward with a velocity u. It crosses a point in its journey at a height h. h height रे ଗୋଟେ point को से h twice after 1 second and 7 second. ले throw कला पर 1 second रे थरे it से गला a point रे मनकर t is equal to 1 second. ऊपर गला पिले and 7 second पुणी फेरला बेलू से पॉइंट पुणी फेरला बेलू केते रे 7 second ना पिले सेम हाइट को से 8 होती जेते की जाइथिबो 8 होती सेते की जाइथिबो ना सेते की डिस्टेंस थिबो ना हाइट ता समान ना हो कि ना ताले हम जानछे टाइम ऑफ ascent is equal to टाइम ऑफ डिसेंट ना ताले एठी जदि मु देखिबी ताले बॉडी टा अपवर्ड जर्नी बेले at a रे t is equal to 1 second মানে डाउनवर्ड जर्नी रे सेही t केते सेकंड रे तो क्रॉस कोड 7 सेकंड रे ताले हम कहि परे टोटल टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट टा केते होची t is equal to t1 plus t2 that is 1
8
plus 7
second.
8 second बुझियल ताले टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट हम जानछे केते 2u by g ना ताले 8 is equal to 2u by 10 u is equal to केते हे गला 40 मीटर पर सेकंड बुझियल If an iron and a wooden ball of the same radius are released from a height h in vacuum, then the time taken by both of them to reach the ground will be how much? So that is, since the time of fall of both the balls in vacuum is equal to 2u by g, or h is equal to u square by 2g, any formula we can put. But student, that do not depend on mass, na? That do not depend on the mass of the balls. And the time taken by both the balls will exactly equal. So same height means exactly equal. Next, come to the next question. From the top of a tower, a particle is thrown vertically downward with a velocity of 10 meters per second. The ratio of the distance covered by it in third and second of the motion is how much? Ascent is equal to what? U plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Na? Ascent is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. So with a velocity, that means u is equal to 10 meters per second. G is equal to how much given? 10 meters per second square. So that means if I'm interested to find S third, how I will find? 10 plus 10 by 2 whole into 2 into 3 minus 1 S third. 2 minus 1. Na? So that is how much? 35 meter. That is 35 meter. Then S second will be how much, student? U plus A by 2, that is 10 by 2 into 2n minus 1, that is 2 into 2 minus 1. That is equal to how much? 25 meter. So S third by S second is equal to how much? 35 by 25. How much?
25. 7 is to 5.
5.
So this is the answer, 7 is to 5. A man drops a ball downside from the roof of a tower of height 400 meter. At the same time, another ball is thrown upside with a velocity 50 meters per second from the surface of the tower. Then will they meet at a height from the surface? Then they will meet at which height from the surface of the tower? That means, student, this is a tower. Height of tower is 400 meter. So from here, a ball is falling freely. Okay, and from here, I am throwing a ball with the speed of 50 meters per second. And let's they meet at a height h. Let them meet at a height h. So in the same time, it has come a distance h1, and the same height it has gone a distance h2. Later on we'll take it h2. Okay. Let's say 8 meet करछंती t time particular time रे ये एति गोटे जाईची 50 मीटर पर सेकंड रे फ्री फॉल के एति गोटे आसी तले प्ले h1 टा केते हिजबो फ्री फॉल हाफ gt स्क्वायर ना h2 टा केते हिजबो प्ले ut minus half gt square against gravity जाउची ut minus half gt square हो कि ना सेम टाइप रे तले h1 और h2 मिसी केते 400
आगे सर
h1 plus h2 मिसी केते 400 तले प्ले ऐड कर देले दीटा जाक इक्वेशन जे तुम ऐड कर देबी हाफ gt square कैंसिल हो जीवो ना h1 plus h2 को ऐड कर दे प्ले हाफ gt square ऐड हो जीवो कैंसिल हो जीवो कि नहीं तले h1 plus h2 is equal to 400 that is equal to केते लिख परिबी u into t लिख परिबी ना
ut equals to ut equals to 400.
u into t लिख परिबी देखो प्ले so is equal to 50 into t so t is equal to 8 second if t is equal to 8 second he is asking what will they meet at which height from the surface of the tower माने प्ले केते h1 is equal to केते जो प्ले h1 is equal to half gt square नहीं जा half into 10 into t रो स्क्वायर केते 8 रो स्क्वायर तल केते जो केते बार जीवो एटा
320
320 किन से कोठु पचारछि कोठु से एला ऊपर 320 तल तळु केते हबो 400 माइनस 320
सर 80 मीटर
80 मीटर